Are you looking for high-quality glass clamps for your railing projects? We have a comprehensive collection of wall-mounted glass clamps and some other speakers in stock. Multiple structural designs available. We have 90-degree, 180-degree, and F-type brackets to meet different installation demands. And we have rich color selections: black, gold, rose gold, silver, gray, and more custom finishes. These are made of sturdy material, reliable clamping force, suitable for glass balcony railings, indoor partitions, steel balustrades, and they are easy to install, stable and durable. Factory directly supply. Welcome builders, wholesalers, and project contractors to inquiring for catalogs and best prices.